Hello everyone, today I will show you how to replace an image in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and now click on this home option, this menu bar, and here you will find this edit option. Click here. Now click on this image and select. This image now selected. This image area, extra area now showing here. Now click on this format option and here you will find this replace option. Click here and open your replace images. I'll replace this image by this one and select open and see this image now inserted here and replaces. I'll log this proportion and I'll decrease this size and see this, and I'll align this image center of this page. Now here I'll put here and see this. In this way you can replace all of your pages or all of your images or a specific image. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.